Earth is moving beneath your feet.
Rocks in the earth, sedimentary, igneous, metamorphic.
Rocks recycle slowly by erosion and melting. Rocks get harder and stronger through metamorphism and become a new crystalline structure, kind of like diamonds.
The earth has a core in the very middle. The core is super hot and has a solid inner part. Around that chunk is a liquid core made of molten stuff. It's kind of like runny melted cheese.
The mantle is a thick zone around the core that is mostly solid rock. Under its rigid outer part is the asthenosphere. That's a zone of hot, partly melted rock that flows and can be deformed like soft plastic. Kind of reminds me of a plastic spoon that takes a trip through the microwave.
And then there is the crust in the outermost part. It is the thinnest zone of the earth and includes the continental crust. The crust lies under the continents and the oceanic crust. It's kind of like fresh baked mac and cheese.
The combination of the crust and the rigid outermost part of the mantle is called the lithosphere.
The earth is moving beneath your feet.
Currents move large mounds of rock and heat in loops within the mantle like giant conveyor belts. The flows of energy and heated material in these convection cells cause the lithosphere to break up into a dozen or so huge rigid plates called tectonic plates, which move extremely slowly atop the asthenosphere.
You know, it's like the plates are the world's largest and slowest moving surfboards that we ride without noticing, because it moves about the speed of a fingernail's growth.
We humans don't feel the Earth moving, but it is. Below the surface, the boundaries between tectonic plates separate, collide, or they slide past one another. The tremendous forces produced at these plates' boundaries can cause mountains to form, earthquakes to shake parts of the crust, and volcanoes to erupt.
Volcanoes. Yeah, they're cool.
When magma reaches the Earth's surface through a central vent, boom, there goes a volcano blowing up.
Many volcanoes form along the boundaries of the Earth's tectonic plates when one plate slides under or moves away from another plate. That magma, that's the lava. Volcanic activity can release large chunks of lava rock, glowing hot ash, liquid lava, and gases into the environment.
The Earth is really moving beneath your feet.